National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, west central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:48 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Belmead, or 2 miles northwest of Forest Hills, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Forest Hills, Franklin, Oak Hill, Brentwood, Berry Hill, Glen Cliff, Townhomes of Shadow Glen, Nashville International Airport, Lenox Village, and Almaville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:48 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Davidson, Williamson, and Rutherford. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency, Nashville, Tennessee. The rain associated with the severe thunderstorm is melting buildings, melting the flesh off civilians who are outside, and is somehow creating massive fires within the warned areas. This rain is causing extreme damage to life and property and has caused travel to become extremely dangerous. Due to the severity of the situation, the governor of Tennessee has officially declared a state of emergency for the counties of Davidson, Williamson, and Rutherford. In addition, people have reported that these raindrops are shaded in a somewhat bright red aura. This has resulted in people speculating that the raindrops are made of lava, but that cannot be confirmed at this time. At this time, residents within the warned areas are advised to seek an underground shelter, a basement, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a concrete or heavy metal building. If no such shelter is available, get under a desk or object that is made of metal, such as a workbench. After following these procedures, you must then stay in your current position until the all clear is given. Please continue to monitor local stations and media outlets for more information regarding this extremely dangerous situation.
All right, see you guys later. Me and Brian are going to play laser tag with Joe and Quagmire.
What? No, you're not. Tonight's our family night. We agreed that every Sunday we'd do something together.
civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Davidson TN, Williamson TN, Rutherford TN, beginning at 7:57 p.m. Tuesday, September 14th and ending at 8:57 p.m. Tuesday, September 14th. WTVF. This is more or less an all-clear message from the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. The so-called lava storm was passed, with no signs of another development of another quote-unquote lava storm in sight. The danger has diminished significantly. However, this does not rule out the fires, as they are still raging throughout the warned area rather quickly, and it may take a while for them to be put out. Firefighters are currently attempting to extinguish the fire. Though at this time, residents are still advised to remain in their shelters until the fire is extinguished. Please continue to monitor local stations and media outlets for more information on this ever so diminishing situation.
Do for family night.
Oh, would you shut up? All the good people are gone.
Hey, welcome to co-host.